All right, let's talk about a project using AI to get students back into actual physical books.
And it all kicked off with this brutally honest confession from a student. Yeah, a real eye-opener. Turns out it's a huge problem. Over 70% of students just use summaries, not the actual book. And look, this is way bigger than just cutting corners on homework. We're losing a core cognitive skill. And teachers were feeling it too. They felt unprepared, and students were just lost in the noise. So what was the solution? Something pretty radical, actually. Using AI to get kids off screens. They call it the Deep Read AI project. The whole goal? Turn books back into an adventure. The project has some really big goals, like training what they call a student's questioning power. Now, this is the key difference. This AI isn't an answer machine, it's a thinking coach. So instead of just giving answers, it's built from the ground up to provoke real thought. It does this by guiding students up a ladder of thinking, from basic facts to brand new ideas. And get this, it's not just one AI, it's actually a whole team of specialized coaches. Each coach has a specific job, helping you see new perspectives or reason things out logically. So, what does this actually look like for a student? How does it all come together? Well, it's an 8-week journey. They start with prep, dive into deep reading, and end by creating something. And this doesn't just change things for students. The teacher's role gets a total reboot. The AI gives teachers a toolkit to see who's struggling so they know exactly when to step in. All right, so the big question, did any of this actually work? Let's check out the results. I mean, this quote from a student really says it all. That's a huge win right there. And the data backed it up. Engagement shot up, and the quality of their questions got way better. But hey, it wasn't all smooth sailing. They learned some really important lessons along the way. Things like the teacher's mindset being absolutely key, and that the simple design was a huge plus. So the future isn't really tech versus tradition. It's about tech that serves timeless skills like reading. This whole project gives us a pretty hopeful answer for how to use AI without letting it use us.